What a freaking push, man. That's interesting. I like the way gold, I think, is reacting just a little bit more aggressively. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, so CPI came slightly under their forecast. Unemployment claims came out good. I'm going to focus on CPI. So I'm going to be looking for buying opportunities. I'm going to be looking at the 1 minute, 5 minute, and yeah, I think your boy's going to stick to gold for today. Okay, so I'm in the trade. I'm only gonna risk about 0.15%. I've been on a unfortunately on a bad losing streak, man. And not really a losing streak. Let me clarify. I had like 2 3 days where it was just bad. The losses were bad. And I had to take a step back because I'm just like, dude, this is not good. So right now, what I want to do is I just want to regain confidence in myself, man. This is a 2RR trade. We're going into a weekly zone. Price could possibly run 5RR, and that's great. But the 2RR is beautiful, man. Um, so hopefully, yeah, hopefully this trade works out perfectly. I went ahead and closed partials here, right? Um, Again, price. I think price still has the opportunity to, maybe it's gonna come down here, create another higher low, and then keep going up. Maybe, maybe it doesn't. But the point is, right? I'm looking once again. I'm looking at my volume. Strong, strong. Volume. Strong candle. Medium sized. See, this is medium sized volume. If you guys can see down there. Look at this. Look at this tiny bullish candle, bro. Like, that's not it, bro. At least, nah, man. That for me is not it. I'm like, yeah, wait, hold up. Why am I holding this, dude? This little baby candle, man. And the fact that I'm like, okay, cool. I'm gonna give it an opportunity, right? But as you guys can see, like, okay, this candle here, I'm like, all right, cool. We closed above. Next candle, instead of it pushing higher, it closed as a doji, a bearish doji. I'm like, okay, cool. So you're telling me at this point that we're having potentially, what do they call it, absorption, right? And again, this could be just off of the 1 minute. That's fine. Um, but at least for me, I'm just like, no, this is not it, bro. Like, let me just take it. I decided, I don't know what the heck happened there. I decided to enter just off of the 1 minute price doing this, giving me a double bottom, breaking this lower high. If price decides to come back, that's fine as long as it doesn't start coming all the way down here. If it does decide to come all the way down here, that's where I'm going to go ahead and close out. It's 9:08 right now, so I'm just kind of waiting and seeing what price is going to do. Okay, so I entered, right? We got a pin bar. So doji followed by pin bar. Um, but sells, man. Seems like the sells are just freaking aggressive, dude. Um, yeah, I think. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. All right, so cool. Seems like Bulls did come, right? We can clearly see on the 1 minute that price, I should say sellers, right, were being absorbed. We can see it in the volume too, right? Again, look, we're looking at this large selling volume, small candle, large selling volume, small candle. Now, this is a decent bullish volume bar, decent pin bar. Another, this one's a bigger, buying uh, bullish volume bar, right? Again, right, we pushed all the way down, wake back up, but again, we can see that buyers are starting to come into play. Off of the 1 minute, right, I got stopped out, but we can see that once again, it seems like the price level of, let's say, 81.63 or around 81, maybe 65, etc., clearly is being defended for this current period of time. So this is going to be my last trade of the day. God willing, we hit the TP, and yeah, that's all she wrote.